Before I post a video, I would like to give credits to this man who made this 7 years ago. It was pretty good. I saw it during music class. You did good.